Today, we will introduce the Wixhc control card for engraving machines. It is suitable for the Mach3 system. This is our network cable. This is the product operation guide. With the QR code on it, you can download our installation package. This is the wiring diagram. This is the control card. Now displayed is the 6-axis control card. This is its Ethernet cable interface. Control card can be connected to the computer's Mach3 software via a network cable for communication. This is an LED light that will illuminate when powered on. Here are the 16 external input ports of the control card, IN0 to IN15. IN0 to IN3 are all origin switch inputs. IN4 is our focus signal. IN5 can be externally connected to any stop switch. IN6 to IN13 can be connected to their respective line position switches. IN14 and IN15 are for standby use. This is the spindle speed feedback. Here are two 24-volt ports and two 0-volt ports. This is our output port, and the output one is connected to the spindle's forward rotation. It's 0 volts for spindle forward rotation. This is the output inverter. This is PWM. This is a 10-volt input. Here, a connection to the 10-volt output of the frequency converter is required. This is an AV analog output that needs to be connected to a frequency converter. This is 0 volts. Next, let's introduce the power supply of our control card. We adopt a 24-volt power supply. There are three interfaces here to our 24-volt, and one is 0-volt. These are the out3 and out-exit ports, which can be connected to corresponding functions. This is the driver output of the X-axis. This is the output of the Y-axis driver. These are the driver outputs for axis of the CABC. Here is divided into direction and pulse, pull plus, pull minus, dir plus, dir minus. First, connect the spindle frequency converter. Find the out one forward rotation signal connected to the spindle frequency converter. Connect to 0 volt for forward rotation. Connect to a 10 volt in input. Connect AV analog output. Connect to the 0 volt of the analog output. Now connecting the frequency converter. Connect the out one wire to the spindle forward rotation signal. Connect to the common terminal of the forward rotation signal. Now connecting the 10-volt output of the frequency converter. Connect to AV analog output. Connect Jade for analog quantity. Now, let's introduce the wiring of the driver. The control card needs to be connected to the driver through 4 wires. They are pulse and direction respectively. Now let's connect our control card first. First connect the pull plus, then pull minus. Connect dir plus, dir minus. Now connecting the driver. Connect the driver PU plus to pull plus. Then connect the connection PU minus to the PUM minus. Then feed the dir plus and connect the dir plus of the control card to it. Then feed the dir minus and connect the dir minus of the control card to it. Now connect the origin switch. First, connect the 24-volt wire to the 24-volt terminal of the control card. This is to supply power to the switch. Then connect 0 volts to the control card's 0 volts. Finally, connect the signal line to the corresponding home part of the control card. Here, I have connected it to In0, which is the origin switch of X. Now connected is the two presetting instrument. First, connect the signal line of the two presetting instrument to the info 2 presetting signal. Then connect the other end of ours to 0 volts. Now, let's introduce the connection of the relay. First, connect the 24-volt power supply of the relay to the 24-volt power supply of the control card. Then connect the 0-volt terminal of the relay to the other part of the control card. What I am demonstrating now is out 3. Now connect the power supply to the control card. The power supply we use is 24 volt. After connecting, the LED light on the control card will light up.